Play. Amy going against Makati Garage. First possession on Amy. Golden Swan. The rebound number 29 to Wada. Wada! Number 20.
Ito na mga likod nito.
Di maiwa. Mason. Still by Tarek. Bautista number 11. Even the shot. Manapo. Pump, yes, for sure.
Ano score mo?
All to te.
Three!
Number. Number 16. Number 24, Tariq. Basket.
Ay!
Number 7. Completed the 2 free throws.
7-4. Parak.
20. 9. Tuada to Di Maio. Number 7. Holding foul.
Three points yes, bando ha?
All 7 tayo.
Ate.
7. Number 7 on the rebound.
Ano yan? Na-charge yan kanina?
Kanina pa nga nakasaksak.
Tanggalin mo na, tanggalin mo yung charge.
Tanggalin na.
By Storm.
Pang indoor lang talaga yun eh.
Bisola stress.
Bisola. 4-3.
Bando ha, si Di Maiwat.
Hindi maiwan.
On 10.
All 10. Second team foul.
Ball
Makati.
protection.
Sino yung 26 na yan?
Di maiwat.
28.
Di maiwat.
Hindi ito 28 to eh, no? 26 ba no?
26.
Manakbo.
Kasi manakbo ba yan? $10-12 tayo ha, 10-12. $11-12 tayo ha, $11-12. Down. Wada. Studio.
Number 80. Sorry, but the rebound.
Push!
Rizola rebound. May zone 2 points.
Abay, stall, 4-2. Sorry. There's a foul. Number 16, Studio.
Third personal pa.
Third
Ay,
person.
third team pa. First
First
person.
team foul, first personal foul, Studio. Basket for first free throw of Kari.
Yung people
May sub tayo.
One out, Abay.
13.
Mamay Sub. Manakpo. Back to Mamay Sub, number 18. Violation, kicking violation, reset to 14. Substitution.
Zero na lang to si Toble.
9.
Sige, 9 na lang.
Nasa jersey.
Tobias to Vale.
Puro point guard. Daming point guard yun.
Ito
yung-
Tobias, number 9.
Ganda to ano, tapat sa
Number 28, Bandola, 4-3.
tapat sa hoops.
In favor, 16-15.
Maraming point guard. Hindi nila
1 minute,
basta-basta.
30 seconds left for the first quarter. Number 25. On the rebound, that's Di Maiwat. 28. Number 28. To Harry Pump. Left for 2. Easy. 18, 15. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Number 20. Still by Avale. To Bandoha. Lesser against the play by Avale. Number 25 to number 20. Now on possession, that's number 26.
45
to Manapo.
seconds.
To the studio, number 16.
Sino?
Back to Manapo. To studio. 5 seconds. And release na. Bandoha on the rebound.
28 seconds.
28 seconds left. Tobias to Avale Pump. Yes. In.
last shot na.
18 seconds.
12 seconds, 18 seconds, 15. 10 seconds. 5. Last 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Tobias.
Uy, alis ko yan si Tobias.
There's a contact call from
26.
Anak 4. 8-2 Mercado. Number 10.
Box out daw, box out.
First personal foul, Anak 4. First team foul.
Pasok. Pasok ba?
Box out.
First pa lang yan, hindi mo na.
Hmm. Nag-explode.
Also inbound rush. Ano? Si number 18, Mamay Son. Bungay, number 3. Anak 4, 26. Mamay Son, pump on the 3-point area. Rebound by Bano. There is a contact foul. 24, that's Derek.
Ilan si Tarek?
Dalawa.
Second on Tariq, second team foul.
First pa lang.
First team foul, sorry.
Basket.
Basket for the first free throw.
14 yung kanina. 12 ang ulit, tapos
16,
16 na ngayon.
22. Intercepted by Manapo. Yes, for number 1. Oscar. Time out.
Sino naka-shoot? Si ano? Bungay?
Still.
Bungay.
Still bungay, shoot bungay.
22, 20.
Saan galing ha?
Hmm.
7.49.
7.49.
Sir, para
7 minutes,
tamaga.
49.
Time out na. Time out
Happy.
Makati. Garage.
Makati ball. Mamaya baseline. Back throw. All on number 26, Manapo.
Second personal.
Second personal foul, Manapo.
Anak pa dalawa.
Second team foul. Tobias, guarded by Rosca. Bautista.
May reserve sub tayo.
Uli!
Line. Line assist made by Rosca, 2. Bunay.
22.
22 all. First left out of the ball game. In the second quarter.
Trap yan!
Bautista, number 11. Euro move. Made by Bautista.
24-20 tayo, te.
24-20.
Bunay.
24-20.
Lumanak po.
24-20.
Ano?
22.
Si Bungay nakashoot. Nakashoot si Bungay.
Dalawang shoot.
Dalawang shoot. 24 na yan.
All 20.
Oo.
Uy, Abel. 26, 24. Naman na ng dalawa.
Yes, for two on Manak po.
Hindi, malag. Mamayson nakashoot.
Mamay Son. Sorry, Mamay Son number 18.
Okay tayo dito. 26 tayo. 26.
26 all.
Ako nga, 26.
And 2 points by Jaiwa. 28-26.
28-26. Lamang ang Makati Garage yung dalawa.
Wala. Hindi pumasok.
Who's foul?
Wala.
Hindi
Foul
na
na
shot.
pa.
Hindi na shoot.
Hindi na shoot.
Walang shoot.
Sub.
26. Foul. Blocking foul. Take 2. Substitution.
Dalawa na si Bernie ha.
Dalawa,
Second personal foul on number 26.
Suko, number 7 pumasok.
Ah.
Wala.
Yes, for 1 point. 27-28. Bautista. Yes, sir. For 2 number 11, Bautista.
Tatlo lamang.
Galing sa TikTok. Bungay. Mamay Son. Ano, pump? Yes, sir, for 2 on number
29-30.
06, Bano. Asiso, Bay, between, Aimee, Golden Flag.
Depensa!
Sub.
There's number 18, blocking foul, substitution.
18, dalawa na 18.
Another foul, Missouri. Second personal foul on number 11.
Wala. Bigay na.
Abaret to Mercado. Up to number 26.
Drop pa siyan!
Foul on number 2, Gonzala.
Sub.
Ball, substitution.
Dalawa na si Grisora. Isa pa lang si Mamayson. First pa lang ni Mamayson yun.
First pa rin naman.
Sorry, first personal foul to Mamay Son.
Dalawa, gusto.
Grisola ang Grisola.
Second, Grisola. Defended by Suko. There is a foul on number
Sub.
36.
Ano yun eh? Unnecessary po.
Hindi, ganun. Away from the ball naman.
Away from the ball. So normal po. Unnecessary po.
Kung hawak ang bulan,
Holding foul. Wala na, 26.
hindi naman hard po.
No.
Third personal foul, number 26. Third team foul.
Third team foul.
Still 1 point lead by the Makati Garage. On the big rebound, Mercado, number 11.
Huli!
Still by Bumay. Still by 29. Wala. Ball. Ang bola bumagsak na sa Grisola. Wala. There's a loose ball foul on number
personal foul, Mano.
06.
Penalty na ba?
Wala pa tayo. Ah, penalty tayo, penalty.
Penalty.
Tira.
Siya pa lang.
Basket. Set.
31-29 tayo, te.
31-29 tayo. Bano for 3.
Stupid, stupid.
32.
Ayan, depensa!
32-31.
Yung nakashoot.
Bautista.
Grisola.
Wala.
34-33.
Depensa! One stop!
Trouble.
Number 7 foul.
Grabe.
7 foul.
Wala pa.
Warning.
Wala pa, third pa lang.
Third pa lang ba?
Hindi,
Fourth
lang.
na, fourth.
Warning.
Warning na, fourth.
Warning on penalty.
Yes.
Yes.
37-30 po. 33.
pang stop!
Apat ang laman.
Penalty. Penalty.
Gar. Triples, step ma'am dito.
Last shot mo nga.
Pili!
Push! Walang hangin eh.
Wala hangin eh.
Malapot to Bukay. Bukay for 3.
40.
Depensa!
40-35.
Uy, malakas.
Turnover. Malapot to Bukay. To Grisola. Back to Bukay. To Grisola at the 3-point area. Grisola for 3.
Nakuha
43-35.
ni Grisola.
8-point lead by Ivy Goldenswap. Historic. There is a foul committed by number 3, Bungay. Illegal use of hand. On the throwing to Anderson Banzoha. To Tobias. Back to Banzoha. To Tobias. 5 seconds.
Bang!
Nice block made by Manaco. But look, an error committed by Buhay. Turnover, Makati Garats ball. On the inbound, that's Bandoha. On the 3-point area. Manaco. Still by number 29, Tuada. There is a contact foul on number 26. That's Manapo. Third personal foul on Manapo. That's your second team foul. Out to Tuada. To number 27. Back to Tuada. 14 seconds. Tobias pump. Yes, sir. 4-2 on number 9. Tobias. 37. 43. Bogay to Grisola on the 3-point area. Grisola for 3. Bandoha now to Tarek. Tarek, still by Bogay. Manapo on possession. Manapo layup, and there is a contact foul on number blue, number 27. That's Aro. Manapo is awarded with 2 free throws. That's for 1 point on Manapo. 47. 37. 10 points lead by Ivy. Yes, another 1 point. He completed the 2 free throws. 48-37. It's pulling away, but still a long way to go. Tarek now. A big rebound by Manapo and traveling violation on Manapo. Substitution. Tuwala 29 out, 26 in, Bautista in, Tobias out. 6 minutes, 10 seconds left. Bandoha back to Bautista, to Tarek. Back to Bautista, pump. Nice. But he missed the shot on the big rebound of Garcia. Garcia to Manapo. Namaisot to Grisola. Makati's garage ball. Bandoha looking for a receiver to Tarek. But still by Grisola. Manapo to Grisola. Still by Bautista. Bautista to Tarek. May sumabit. Basket count number 7. First foul rep. 7. Garcia.
Yan si Garcia.
Dalawa.
Dalawa daw.
Second personal foul on Garcia. Third team foul. Yes, he completed the 3-point play. 40-48, 8 points lead by Ivy Goldenson. 4 minutes and 49 seconds for the third quarter. Bogay to Manazon on the 3-point area. Bandoha on possession. Del Bandoha on the 3-point area. Pump. Third number. On the baseline throwing, that's Manapo to Grisola. Back to Bogay to Mamaison. Back to Bogay. Bogay to Grisola on the 3-point area. A big rebound by number 11. Makati garage. Tarek on possession, but still by Goldenfire. Manapo to Grisola. Back to Manapo. To Bogay. Bogay on the 3-point area. Number 7. Oh, there is a hacking foul on number 27.
Second.
Aro.
8 ang lamang.
Gonzala still possession to Manakpo. Back to Gonzala.
Mamaya.
Wala, hindi na buzzer.
Mag-report kayo dito.
Na buzzer. Sige.
Nice block made by Manakpo. Amazon to Gonzala. Back to Amazon. To number 3, Bungay. Yes. Avoiding on. Nice defense. But they shoot ni Bungay. Bandoha on the 3-point area. He make a shot. Yes, Bandoha for 3. 43-50. Manakpo, yes for 2. 52. 43.
Saling tayo sa shooter.
Bautista Pam. Wala. Garcia possession to Grizola.
Push.
To Manakpo Pam. Wala. Bigwiban by Bandoha. There's a foul committed. Nice foul on number 3.
Sub.
Substitution. Grizola. Waskay.
Randy?
Second, warning.
Out. Another substitution. Macoranas in.
Baba kulog.
2 minutes. Third quarter.
Unspo ko yan. Dalawa na dito eh.
Kaya nandiyan ka. Kaya wala akong magawa.
Tarik. 14 seconds. Abare, nice assist made from Doha to Abare. 45-52, 7 points lead. By Irene Golden from Restaurant. Oscar. To Macoranas. 2-point area. There's a loose ball foul on number 7, pushing foul.
Penalty!
Penalty.
Third personal si Garcia.
Third
Yes,
personal
sub,
foul
sub,
on
sub.
number
Pasok.
Pasok lang.
Garcia.
Garcia.
Wala, tingnan mo. Sisiyo. Set mo nga.
Yes, both. 1 point. Release ang bola bago pumasok. He completed the 2 free throws. 47. Yes, for 2 on Bula, number 3.
Ayaw!
Yes, for 2 on
Ay, sa pang stop!
Bula. Abare. Abare. To Tarik. There's a contact foul on number 3.
Ilan si 3?
Number 3 ay third personal.
Substitution. Third personal foul number 3. Penalty. Nice throwing.
Last 40 seconds tayo.
40 seconds.
40 seconds.
Still possession of Maccabi. Nice rebound by Bautista, but still by Rasta. Another one. Uy lang yun, uy.
Para, depensa, depensa, depensa.
Wala si Uy. 20 seconds. Still by Bano. 19 seconds. 12 seconds. 11 seconds. 11 seconds. Game clock. 10 seconds. 5. Fourth quarter. Bando on the 3-point. Manako. Marison. Manako. Rebound by Tariq. Basket. Basket number 16, Custudio, pushing foul. Tariq is awarded with one additional free throw.
50-56.
50-56.
Nice, Tarek.
51.
Oy, bawi!
Kabila, kabila.
Number 14.
Okay, masisira sa isang lugar.
8-point lead.
Another basket count made by Tariq.
Sub, sub,
Basket
sub.
number 26. Manako, substitution.
Warning ha, manak po.
Warning on Manako, you just committed your fourth personal foul. Aimee has already 2 team fouls. Yes, he completed the 3-point play by Mr. Tariq of Makati Garage. Now, one position that's Bulay to Mamazon on the 3-point area. Mamazon for 3. 62-54, 8 points lead again. Now Mercado back to Bandoa. Make a fake shot. Finger shot. It is the shot. Big rebound by Bugay.
Bonjing ka talaga, no?
Bano back to Tuga. Make a fake shot. And the rebound by Garcia. Garcia to Amazon. Another press for the second. And there is a contact foul committed by number 26. That's Mr. Rabare.
25 yan. 26 ba yan? 25.
25, sorry, 25. Number 25.
First personal. First.
Worst personal foul on Rabare. Meron tayo nalanin. Hindi nag-rebound.
Oh, defense, defense!
And 2 steps.
Bye.
8 minutes and 4 seconds left. Still a long way to go.
8-point lead.
8 points lead by Aimee. Tariq to Mercado Pump. Wala, abog rebound by number 7, Garcia. To Bugay. To Bugay. To Balo. To Mamazon, top of the 3-point area. On the big rebound, Mercado. To Mandola. Bando to Tuada, finger roll shot, yes sir! Meron tayong contact, basket number 3. Foul.
Apat na.
Apat na si Mamayson, ay si Apat.
Fourth personal foul on number 3. Warning on number 3, you just committed your fourth personal foul. Substitution.
Third team foul tayo. No?
Rizzola.
Rep lahat sa rep. Mike. Third team foul.
Third team foul na ang Aimee Golden Sun at second team foul sa Makati. Yes, he completed the 3-point play by Mr. Tiwada, 29. Mamaison to Castillo. Back to Mamaison. To Rizzola. To Balo. To Garcia Pap.
Pamana ba, depensa!
Abare si Labare. Labare to Mercado. Back to Bando on the 3-point area. Bando.
Time out, time out.
On the side of Aimee Golden Sun.
Dalawa na lang.
Anong time out ito?
Dalawa na lang po ang mga labangan.
Dalawa.
62-60.
Dalawa.
May tatlong timeout ang Makati at dalawa ang Aimee Golden Sun. 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Still a long way to go. Still the back holding.
Parang ano eh.
Ito? Pero kunti lang team. Kasi kinuha na lahat eh.
Nawala ang laman.
Galaw!
Bibili ako ng mali. 10 seconds. Hindi, may nakaubad na pag
Defense tayo, defense. Sipat, ano?
konting adjust.
Foul on number 2. Pushing foul.
Warning.
Warning.
Warning on penalty.
Tatlo na si Grisola, tatlo.
Substitution.
Tatlo na si Grisola, coach. Tatlo.
Grisola. Rep.
Third on Grisola.
Angat konti. Hindi yung sana ko, pansyon, di ba? Kesa depensa.
Sayang. Limat. Sayang.
Galaw!
To studio for 2. No
out,
shot,
out.
Nine, 62.
Tuyo na eh.
Dalawa time out, ha?
Both teams, 2 timeout. 5 minutes, 40 seconds. Number 11. Number 11, Bautista for 3. Still by number 24, Tariq. Abare to Tuada Pandiaso. Come on! Ali Goldenson. You have one more timeout.
5 points ka agad.
Isa na lang timeout nyo ha. Isa na lang, dalawa.
Sixty-seven, 69, only 2 points lead by Amin Goldenson. 4 minutes, 48 seconds. Matagal pa.
4 minutes, 48. Long court.
Full court tayo, full court. Ten seconds. 5. Bandoha. Full Bandoha. To Bautista. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Tarek, yes, for 2. Another deadlock. Second deadlock, 69 all. 4 minutes. Garcia, yes, for 2. That is a battle between Ali Goldenson, veteran, and Makati Gora. Now Bautista, pop. Body miss, bomb by Garcia. Tulamay zone to Puna. Tilbungay. Tulamay zone of the 3-point area. Wala. Bisola. Nakuha bola.
Tikot, belaw.
10 seconds.
Adniel, cut!
5. Kamis. Now, Bandoa on the 3-point area. Bandoa for 3. Lamang na ng isa. 72-71 na po ang score. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 1 point lang ang lamang ng Makati. Nagpalit na ang lamang. Gisela! Palit na naman. 74-72. Lamang na ng dalawa ulit. Ang Amy.
Ganda na
Instead of the
laban.
play, Tuwada. Tuwada. With Abare. Back to Bandoha. Yes, a nice assist. That's Tuwada. 74 all. Third deadlock. Ang gandang laban. Lapit na tayo. Gisela, wala. Pag-rebound kay Tarek. Bandoha. Last 2 minutes. 3 points. Bandoha. Rebound by Gazina, reset to Foden. Wala rin, block. Oh, mayroon tayong contact, foul on number 29, Tuwada.
Tinira eh.
First pa lang.
Unang, foul ni Tuwada. At mayroon tayong tatlong team foul. Kahit tatlo ng lamang ng Makati. At mahaba mga oras. Okay, 1 point. Pumasok. 1 minute pa rin tayo. 75-77.
Ang.
May dalawang timeout ang Makati. May isa ang Aini. Wala. Nakuha ang wala ng Garcia. Ang nice block by Tarek. 1 minute 30 seconds. Walang hawak tayo. Hindi nahawakan ni Garcia. Si Bautista lang ang nakahawak. So, turnover tayo. 77, 75, 1 minute 27 seconds.
Lamang ng dalawang Makati Garage.
Dalawang up, walang kahawak.
77.
Meron tayong throwing foul.
77-75.
Sayang ang throwing foul. Bungay na. Mamay John on the 3-point area. Wala. Jesala. Back to Mamay John. To Bungay. To Garcia pa. Back may sumari tayo. Tataas. Wala tayo sa vertical. Foul on number 28. That's Bandoha. 1 minute 14 seconds na lang ang nalalabi sa ating
First foul pa lang ni
final
Bandoha,
fourth quarter.
First foul pa lang ni Bando.
Dalawang bisla, wala.
Wala.
Ang ganda laban. Mahawak ang oras.
Dalawa pa rin na
14,
lamang.
marami sa warning ang penalty.
Dalawa pa rin na lamang ng Makati
Pasok na
Garage.
tayo ng penalty. Wala pa rin. Si Bahari ang bola. Kaya Bahari ay Bautista, Tuwada, wala, sayang, malakas. Tuwada, pa rin ang bola. Pinik, na-block ni Garcia. Last 1 minute. 1 minute na lang tayo mga kaibigan. 15 seconds.
Mag-screen ka, magbigay ng screen.
10. 5.
Good.
77 all.
Isa na lang timeout nyo, Isa na lang.
30 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. 15. 10. Basket.
Time out.
3 seconds difference. 15.
Ako sani.
10. 5. 4. Ang gandang laban. Sayang. Ang tira. Congratulations sa Makati.
Panalo Makati.
79-77.
79-77. 2 point. Sayang, hindi
Ito na,
sumishoot
next
ang
back po
ano.
tayo. Marami pang laban. That's the first game ng...
Tatlong attempt ng IB Golden Sun, hindi na shoot.
No, best
Ang ating best player ay walang